G'day, I'm Josh and welcome to the Melbourne Home Show. Just thought we'd run through a couple of cool things that we do here at Eco Timber Group. Primarily we do architectural timbers that are from sustainable resources. A lot of them are embellishing, or it's about embellishing all the things that come naturally. This one here, we call it our wormwood. That's from Port Phillip Bay, which is a marine worm called Teredo worm, which eats the timber over hundreds of years to create that effect, and we cut it up into an appearance grade cladding. At the moment, a big one is our charred cladding. This is a maintenance-free solid timber cladding that we're doing. As you can see, it's been burnt. And what that does is create a charcoal crust that doesn't fade with sunlight, because carbon doesn't fade with UV sunlight. So it's a ripper for people that want a maintenance-free cladding. We do timber slabs, salvage from a tree that fell over out of Mansfield, up in High Plains. That's a grey box timber slab, great for tiny dining room tables and bench tops. Moving around, we also do joinery. This is one of the great things about timber, is it's so versatile. So we can use it in flooring, and we can also do it in its true form in solid timber bench tops, such as kitchens, bathrooms. Here's our wormwood here, we saw on the wall earlier. Just a great example of how you can use the natural feature in timbers to create some interesting effects. Moving around, this is our what we call our grey skin wire brush cladding. All that material comes from recycled purlins out of old factories and houses that have been aged over the years, and we just leave them in their true entirety, and we wire brush them and run them into a decorative cladding, as we do with all these timbers. So moving over here, we've got our screening timbers. This is all black butt, class 1 exterior for gates and screens, fences, and even internal elements as well. Alright, well that's a bit of enough about us. If you want to come down and have a look, come down to the Melbourne Home Show or visit us at www.ecotimbergroup.com.au. Thanks.